Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that SavannaSurvival token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, SavannaSurvival launched in March 2025. SavannaSurvival is a voxel-style Web3 survival game with multi-chain deployment, offering triple mode gameplay, NFT ownership, and a layer-driven economy designed to be immersive, collaborative, and accessible to both traditional and Web3 gamers. Players can collect both NFT and non-NFT animals, train and level them up, and engage in battles across PvE and PvP and tribe modes. SavannaSurvival follows a gameplay first strategy, delivering a level of quality that significantly exceeds the current Web3 gaming standard. Backed by over 15 years of game development and marketing experience, the team is well equipped to continuously release fresh content, keeping players engaged while offering a seamless experience for both Web2 and Web3 users. SavannaSurvival token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 191.81 million SVSA token. SVSA token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.